What's going on, guys? Will's Bonsai back again, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a juniper style bonsai tree. So this is a little, actually like sapling, pre-starter bonsai that I found at my local nursery, and I'm gonna put it in this blue pot, and I'm gonna show you guys how to basically get set up and create your own bonsai out of any juniper. So it is a very stormy day, and I actually chose a horrible time to do this video. I'm gonna be using my special bonsai soil that I have, and I think this is gonna work great for it. So right here I have a pre-cut mesh padding that's going to cover these two holes, and today I am going to wire this tree in, and this is my last repot of the season, my latest repot. So let's go ahead and get started with this. You guys want to probably cut a piece of wire like that long, and we can always trim it, but try not to use too much wire now. There we go, so that works good. Let's go ahead. Okay, so that works good, and here's our tree just laying down. It's not going to stay upright, it's going to fall. Let's take some more bonsai wire. Go ahead and cut a pretty long piece, honestly. We're going to need to wire this tree in today. So now we have our two pieces of wire. Let's go ahead and put these through these wiring holes right here. Some pots don't even have wiring holes, if we're being honest. So today I do want to wire this tree in. So I did trim off just a little bit of that wire. Let's flip it over, make sure they're all flat, and boom, there you go. And let's go ahead and see our tree, and there is just a straight root ball, probably way too many roots. So I say not to shred it normally, but I kind of do need to get this going, get it undone, and I might have to shred it. Oh, this is a lot easier than the last one I did though. That didn't take very long, and this is a good looking root mass. Let's go ahead and trim some of the roots that are going upwards. There's never a lot of roots to begin with on this, so go ahead, look at that right there. Let's go ahead and get this potted up. There's our soil. I went ahead and put the exact amount in a bowl and threw in some Osmocote Bonsai fertilizer. Let's go ahead, put about that much in the bottom just to coat the bottom. And what we want to do is see if we can nestle this tree into this pot. And I want it to be, I want the front to be kind of like right here, so there's not a lot of roots. And what we are going to do is tuck the roots around this wiring. You don't want to wire it super hard in there, so when you go to repot this in a few years, it's hard to get the wiring out. Looking solid right here, guys. Let's go ahead and take off some of these branches. So I do want to keep this bottom branch. I think I could wire that out. Let's go ahead. So I want to wire some of these out. I just think it'll make the video 30 minutes long. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you, Jesus, for another day. Happy Easter. I'll catch you guys in the next one.